Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find promo code deals for Cebu Pacific. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, so for this I'm going to be going to Google. So I want to open up my web browser, hit Google, and then in the search bar I want to type in Cebu Pacific promo code deals. Then I'm going to hit search. And now we'll hit some third-party sites up here in the search results. So we got coupons.rappler.com, we got picody.com, rprice.ph, worth the penny. So we've got these third-party retailers offering promo code deals, but one I really like to use is the one from here called worththepenny.com. So I want to check this site out, and these sites do change their deals daily and weekly as well. So I'm inside Worth the Penny, and they've got today's best offer here, so 30% off. So save 30% off flight bookings at Cebu Pacific Air. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and click into this offering here. And now I'm going to copy this code, and then I'm going to paste that code at the checkout section of Cebu Pacific Air to enjoy 30% off flight bookings.